your goal is not enough.
Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Flimora 9 for free. Copy the link in the description and paste it in the box. And download this file. Yeah, I already downloaded it, so I'm not gonna download it again. So it should be like this. So extract it and then get inside it. If you have already installed Flimora and you don't need to install it, just open the crack Flimora 9 tool fixer, cut it and paste it in the file location where you installed Flimora. Yeah, I already done it. So and then open it in admin mode. So first guys, you have to carefully listen here. If you're gonna skip something here, it's not gonna work. So first you are gonna press 1 to activate Flimora, and then press any key starting and activate and finished. So then press enter. So I already cracked it, so it's re-cracking it, and then press any button, and here have to click 3 or you'll get a startup warning of notification, also you can't use it. 3 and then press enter. Like I said, so it's all, that's all guys, and now you can just validate or Flimora effects and things, but that's all for this one. Just click 5 and enter. So that's all guys for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.